Hi everybody, I did just a quick test of the new Mavic 3 which came out today because I bought it. We see an MP4 file which is made in 3200 ISO, and as it runs you see it's useless. You cannot use MP4 with 3200 ISO. Next file is in 16 it's in yes in 1600 ISO, but it's a MOV file, so this is pretty good, I would say. Yes, I would say this is pretty okay. 1600 ISO, that's gonna work, but 3200 ISO definitely not. Autofocus is not working properly in low light. As you can see, it's always going in and out, so nothing here. Next file is on 800 ISO, D-Log 10-bit. Pretty good file. I would really... D-Log, of course, it's always good if you grade. 800 ISO and 400 ISO available. For sure you need a bit more light or open the aperture a bit. I have no informations here since I do not work in a proper program but just in QuickTime Player. This review is also just a quick review that you know what to expect, but I would say the first all over impression of mine is pretty good. So yeah, next one I show you is raw files, pictures. This is a 1600 ISO picture. I zoom in 100% and you see it's decent quality in the midtones here, in the highlights here, in the highlights, and also in the dark spots. It's pretty good. I did some editing, just some little editing, that I have a curve which is not all black and not all white, and also to see if I can get these highlights back in the lamp, and yes I can, and I still have details in the blacks. So this is really good in case of dynamic range. Next picture I show you is 3200 ISO, also made in RAW, and yes, this one there is definitely some things to do. In the darks there is a lot of noise. In the whites there is not too much information and you still can see the noise. So this one has to be edited a bit more if you want to do that. So basically all over we can say that D-Log 800 ISO is very good in 4K. 1600 ISO is in a normal mode, pretty okay. In filming and photography, it's up to 1600 ISO. The picture is really good. You can even print that. I promise you, I am 15 years a professional photographer, and I would use a picture of this camera out of the Mavic 3 even for an exhibition in 1600 ISO, not in 3200. There I would only use it online like Instagram, Facebook, and so on. If you have any questions, you can write me in the comments below. I'm just not sure that I will answer you very quick since I have a lot of work to do and I'm not so often in YouTube. But the next days I will try to really answer the questions for you, and I'm also open to do some tests if you have some specific questions. Thank you and have a nice evening. Bye bye guys.